This video introduces ServiceNow assignment rules. The ServiceNow system can automatically assign tasks to specific users or groups. These assignments are determined by rules you define. Each assignment rule specifies a system table and a set of conditions on certain fields in the table. Whenever a record is added or updated in the table and the fields meet the conditions, the rule is triggered and the task is automatically assigned. You can manually reassign the task later if you wish. If the task has already been assigned, no rules are run and the assignment is not changed. You can define assignment rules for lots of different tasks, like service catalog orders, problems, or changes. In this video, we're going to use the example of assignment rules for managing incidents. To see the assignment rules defined in the system, we'll go to System Policy, Rules, Assignment. Here we see 3 assignment rules for incidents. Let's take a look at the rule for network incidents. The fields on the Applies To tab define when the rule is triggered. The Table field specifies which table the rule applies to. You can choose from a variety of tables for different tasks. This rule applies to the Incidents table. To define a rule for a change task, you'd choose Change Task, and so on. The Conditions fields specify conditions for certain fields in the incident record. The rule is triggered when these conditions are met. Here the rule is triggered when the value of the category field is Network. The fields on the Assign To tab define whom the task will be assigned to. Here the task is assigned to System Administrator. To see how this works, let's create a new rule that assigns urgent incidents to a different user. Let's call the new rule Networking Urgent. Now we'll save a copy with the new name. Insert and Stay inserts a copy into the table and stays here for more editing. Next, let's change the user to Eileen Mottern. Now, urgent network incidents will automatically be assigned to Eileen. Now we want the rule to apply only to networking incidents with high urgency. To do that, we'll add a condition. The urgency is high. When we update the new rule, it appears in the list. Finally, let's give it a lower order number so it'll run before the original networking rule. If more than one rule is triggered, only the rule with the lowest order number will run. There! This way, high urgency incidents will be assigned to Eileen and all others will be assigned to System Administrator. Let's go back and take a quick look at a couple other things. The Script tab lets you include a script to perform additional functions when the rule runs. And the tabs at the bottom of the form let you review the history of the rule. Finally, let's test our new rule. To do that, we'll create a new incident. We'll say the caller is Able Tutor, the category is Network, the urgency is high, and this is a test of our new rule. When we submit, the new incident appears in the incidents list, and it's assigned to Eileen Mottern just like we want. This concludes our video. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.